cold rain.
Nice cold rain. Never seen it rain out here.
Next level.
Take your dirty foot and get the fuck out of here.
This is gonna separate the weak from the strong right here.
Let's look at the ground. Where are we at? Oh, yeah.
I'm just saying.
All right.
Pressure again.
I'm just saying.
Check out this bag situation.
I'm just saying.
I mean, we got to put 3 to 6 trash bags on to make it.
I'm gonna break his neck. No, fucking nature. I ain't a hater. I'm a great devastator. And I wanna get it on his head. It's hot.
Nice cold rain.
Nice cold rain. Never seen it rain out here. It's nice and cool, probably like 65. Last time we had some winds. Shut down twice last night. And one time we had a shifter break. So we're trying to weld that right now. We also had a bike rack fall down. It's really hard to tune this carburetor because it's always going from like 100 degrees to like really cold. And so what we're doing now is we're sitting here in the rain, which is so odd. And we're fixing some of the lights on this side. Just some lights burn out on this side. And I'll tell you what, last night, those lights were the best we've ever done. Pretty nice lights. We've really gotten far with this thing. Thank you.
Whoa, this looks epic.
Closer, closer. Just give me a little bit closer. Perfect.
Not a chance, I don't think.
Even if
No,
you
it's
could, I
just
think
gonna be like-
they would shut you down and tell them you gotta park.
What's
it.
that stuff they serve? What's the drink in the kitchen?
Yeah, that's their big thing. So you're
The
not
fucking
supposed to
mud.
go anywhere.
Yeah.
Mudslides. They got a mudslide maker. That's what you got out there, Kubota mudslide maker.
Yeah. In the back there, they got like
This is insane. It's muddy as hell here.
Frozen drink machines.
This is it, y'all. Burning Man's over now. Welcome to the end of Burning Man.
Check my
Yeah,
toes.
this here.
This is it.
Next level.
Take your dirty foot and get the fuck out of here.
Cones is the one you're back in, man.
I'm telling
Can I just
Sarah,
say-
and we got it on video.
It's fucking ridiculous.
What you doing, Cam?
Oh, got the spotlight on. Got like a deer in the headlights. It's been raining for about 8 hours now. Pretty muddy, and we're the only ones on the playa right now. So
We got Calvin with us. Calvin came with us. He's out here.
never seen it like this out here. That's for sure.
I mean, we're all three pretty veteran burners by this time. This ain't nothing right here. Like, come on. Come
How are you
on.
feeling?
I feel like this is gonna separate the weak from the strong right here.
Let's look at the ground. Where we at? Oh yeah.
I'm just saying.
Alright.
I'm just saying.
Check out this bag situation.
I'm just saying.
I mean, when you got to put 3 to 6 trash bags on to make it.
All those burners that didn't bring any kind of food, or water, or jackets, or trash bags, I say fuck you. Because honestly, to us, dude, this is it right here, man. Let's fucking burn. Let's go. Let's set the man on fire tomorrow. You know? Let's fucking go.
Get a picture of that, Steve.
You have to. No, dude, they're tired, though. He's coming after us. Let's get the mud gumbo tires out.
Fast police alert.
Pull over! What? Pull over!
We're gonna out like a fully revved V8. If there was any time that you could really go full blast out here with the right R car, which is not ours, by the way.
Oh shit. There you go, Calvin. Oh damn.
Wetness, nice warm mud in the tip of the toe.
Does that feel good though?
Part of the phase, dude.
It kind of, I told you it was gonna happen. Calvin may have come up the best way to wrap his feet. That might have been the best one.
That makes a double knot.
He wrapped it around his ankles. It was magnificent.
You gave me the twist strategy.
It's every man for himself.